Welcome to Bard tutorial. So here you can see uh, Bard is experiment a beta version. Welcome to Bard. Let's start with Bard. So this is a beta version and not available for all and not available in all country, but you can join, you can check it's available for you or not. Just simply visit bard.google.com. So here you can see Bard may display inaccurate or offensive information that does not represent Google. So here you can see there is a two theme available and the black and the white. Only two theme is available. You can select which one you like. So let's try. Just write some promotes. Check out how it works. Here you can see they just give us three commands to automatically type, and then they will write a complete draft for us. So you can check out in just few seconds. They just write a draft for us, product name, client name, contact. So you can give them a different commands and they will write for you. So you can click on Google it. So and here you can see if you like this proposal, click on like. If you don't like, then dislike. You can modify it. You can share it with someone, share, export to docs. So here you can see you can modify it shorter, longer, simpler, or more casual. So you can modify it if you want. So let's out a new one. So type here a command. For example, is AI is dangerous. Let's what they will answer. It's dangerous for future or not. So here you can see they write a complete draft for us. How is dangerous for future? Job displacement, loss of human control, negative impact on society, development, and many other things. So you can give us different commands. You can write. So you already use a chat GPT, but this is a Bard, a Google officially introduced in April. But this is still in beta version. So this is still in beta version, and in future they will this will be available globally. So upload file. Still this is Bard is a free maybe, but when they available maybe they introduce a paid version, but still it's in beta version and free. So let's try another command, how Bard AI work. So let's try how it's work. So we give give them a command, and in just few seconds they write a complete draft for us. So here there is a three different draft available. Which one you like? Draft 1, draft 2, draft 3. Bart automatically generate three drafts. Which one you like, you can view, and which one you like, and then you can share it with anyone which one you like. Okay, so here you can see this complete tell us how AI how Bard AI work. So you can listen this. So here you can see, just click.
Bard AI is a large language model, LLM, chatbot developed by Google AI. It is powered by a massive dataset of text and code, which it uses to generate text, translate languages, write different kinds of creative content, and answer your questions in an informative way. Bard works by...
Here you listen the sound. So human reviewers may process your Bard conversation for quality purpose. Don't enter sensitive info. Okay, so Bard have more data than other AI tools, because this is a Google Bard and Google have more data than other AI tools, and this is in beta version. You can join this. Simply go to bard.google.com. Thanks for watching. I hope this small tutorial helpful for you. Thanks for watching.